Hi everyone, it's Steph and oh my gosh, I can't believe this day is finally here. Welcome to the review of the Shangri-La at the Shard, London. And I'm telling you now, we are in for a treat. Welcome to the Shangri-La Suite. It is the best room in this entire hotel. And this is the entrance hall. And then allow me to show you the room, which I must admit, this is the wardrobe space, just like cupboards in the room, literally right in the entrance hall actually. So perfect if you are entertaining guests. And yeah, and then here we have in this one, and this is just the entrance hall by the way everyone. In here we have a toilet, hi, with sink. The toilet is not only electronically controlled, it has heated seats. Yes, you heard me correct. So yes, lovely vanity area as well in here for your guests when you are entertaining. We then come into the main the main living and entertaining area. Small kitchenette here. Lovely table here that can seat 10 people. Our very own living area. Alex is somewhere in here. And then we come into here, so have ice buckets. We have our kitchenette in here, which I will just quickly go to now. This is actually amazing. Even have our cutlery. It's beautiful. And they're so soft closing as well. And then we have our Nespresso machine, microwave, glasses. It's so easy to get around here as well. We even have our wines. Yes, oh my gosh. Our teas, Nespresso pods, cupboards. We even have a private butler's entrance in here as well, which is for... Can I get in? Ah, yes, there we go. Our water, we have some Coca-Cola, some milk. We even have a freezer compartment in here as well. And then we have more storage down here, in here. This is going to be such a long video, by the way, guys, but you will love it. We even have our telescope over there, some extra binoculars. The TV is incredible. Now, if I tell you there are multiple TVs in this room, another mirror, hello. That, now if I remember rightly, so the TV actually comes out of here in the living area. And I just need to ask Alex. Alex, do you remember how they got the TV out? Which button? I've forgotten this already. I'm living a dream right now. This is, oh my gosh, yeah, right. we'll sort that in a bit. Okay, so yeah, TV comes out of there. We've then got a relaxation area there. As I said, telescope. This is just, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Our binoculars there. The views are just absolutely insane. You've got views of just about everywhere in London, actually. And then we come in here. We've got a study with our writing desk. More gorgeous views, I must say. We then have one way into the bedroom, but I'm not going in that way. More storage with another TV. So we have a TV that's there. And actually, these actually come across and cover so that the TV comes out with our more storage and the remote control in there. Coat area again. And then into the bedroom where we have this amazing size, like it's a super king size bed, but it looks so much bigger. I've got a super king size at home and honestly, it's huge. There's another TV in here. Another relaxation area there. Sofa to watch your TV in. And as I said, this is the best room in this hotel. It's actually amazing. And then, got a sound system over there as well. Private butler's entrance. Walk-in wardrobe here, and I must say as well, for getting the wheelchair around, this is amazing. I'm able to get my wheelchair pretty much around everywhere with ease, despite the fact that it's carpeted. Hi! So as I said, we have these. We have slippers, Japanese robes. So much space. It's actually crazy. And then, over here is our bathroom. And this is just beautiful. It has a TV in here as well, in the mirrors. And then we have our his and hers sinks, vanity areas again. We have a walk-in shower in here, which if you've got your own shower chair, you can actually you can roll into. That's big. Okay, hang on. That's so big. Even got a little seating area there. Bathrobes here. The jacuzzi bath here. Toilet there. This bath is huge. I will definitely be lost in there a bit later on. But yes, that is actually crazy. Oh my gosh, wow. But yes, that is the room, and as I said, the views are just absolutely spectacular. Like, yeah, I feel like I am living a dream. The fitness suite and the spa and relaxation area are all on level 52 at the Shangri-La, and I must say it was absolutely amazing. The views are just incredible, the pool is lovely, and the spa area even has a disabled changing area, which I was just so glad they had, because not all spa and relaxation areas in hotels actually have disabled changing areas. We then had breakfast in Ting after a slight problem with trying to get room service for breakfast that was then rectified a bit later on. But I must say the views from the restaurant are amazing. The buffet breakfast was so extensive. There was a mix of English, continental, oriental breakfast options as well. They even had dim sum there. So definitely if you can, go to the restaurant for breakfast rather than having the room service, just because I feel like you definitely get so much more choice when you go downstairs. Remember to check out the full review on the blog. I will leave the description, the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bells on for more fabulous luxury hotel and other reviews, including luxury airline reviews as well. See you all later. Bye.